February is just a few weeks away, and that means love is in the air. I've seen all kinds of Valentine's Day topiaries floating around online, so I decided to try my hand dowel one. First, cut out hearts. I used a heart-shaped cookie cutter to cut out small hearts out of a thinner sheet of Styrofoam. Then, using a butter knife, I cut out 6 big hearts out of thick pieces of Styrofoam. I would not recommend using smooth foam. I tried that the first time for this project and the regular Styrofoam was a game changer. Next, I spray painted the back of the hearts. I divided up my small hearts and separated my 6 big hearts into 3 groups, spray painting each of the group hearts a different color. After the back of the hearts were completely dry, I flipped them over and added alphabet stickers to create words and phrases for my conversation hearts. Then I spray painted all the hearts the same color as the back. And I removed the alphabet stickers to reveal the words that I had spelled out. How cute are these? Finally, it was time to put the conversation heart topiaries together. First, I inserted a 10-inch Styrofoam round piece snugly into each of my 12-inch plant potters. Next, I inserted a single wooden dowel into 3 of my big hearts, 1 of each color. I would recommend using a thin dowel instead of a thick one. It was a bit of a pain trying to push the thick dowel through the Styrofoam without messing up the heart. Once my 3 big hearts were inserted onto the wooden dowel, I inserted the dowel into the Styrofoam round that was in my planter pot. After that, I inserted the individual flower stems into the same Styrofoam round. The supplies for this project added up quickly, so I tried to cut costs by getting flowers from my local Dollar Tree. They had a great selection, so I got very lucky. Here is the final result. How sweet are these? I hope this inspired you to make a sweet Valentine's Day topiary.